Everybody should have been making money this week. Oh, anybody that didn't make money this week, if you lost $1 or whatever, look. So I got my YouTube inspired chart. Hey, shout out to Basic Trend on a little bit of signal support on that open. Yesterday's donkey kick plays. Hey man, I'm gonna check on everyone on that one too. I didn't even get out of bed for that one, bro. So interest was high. I did buy, respect the trend, boom, shorts, low borrow weight, pattern resistance, pattern support, little money. Interest was really high. Hey, no, I don't need no one to give me their money, right? Anybody that trades, I'm managing their money. Promoters are gonna tell you to buy to get you to buy these options. Then it's like a giant ATM. So then you take money out that ATM, right? It's taking. Anybody that buy, getting their money took, managed by yours truly and the rest of us. And we're gonna be buying puts, and the puts end up kind of free. And take a little bit of that money, and we'll probably be tipping on the weekend, drinking and shit like that. It's gonna be kind of fun. It's gonna be fun, so no worries. But you gotta learn on the ranges. I'll go over that. So that's money, boom. Yesterday's zone kit was good on the MA signals, pumped a little bit. Shorts, only ones that didn't make as much. You know, open interest was high, bro, from 2 weeks ago. So I'll go a little bit into that. Move it to the, let's see, who else? Penny Pumping Bros on Tqqq. I remember I made the video for these motherfuckers. Crazy, good Lord. I don't have it, man, so I didn't sell your call. I don't have your money. Like, there ain't no refunds. Day chart is almost there, man. We need good news. I hope it's not just gas tax. Just managing other people's money while people were asking to get money out of their 401ks, and everybody's telling them they gotta wait until October. That's some real shit right there. That's some real info. Oh, don't trust the old people who's trying to tell you what to do, man. They were giving free shares from their fucking job when motherfuckers like we're sucking on their mother's teeth. Day chart looks kind of decent though, but we need something, man. I hope it's not gas tax. I hope there's gonna be some chips or something, which check on my AMD money. Bro, you gotta quit being stupid, man. All right, I'll explain too. So when you buy this shit and the open interest is really high, you buy these call options and shit like that, you just do the range, man. Look, this is a range. So you're averaging what, a few bucks a fucking day? So you already know you're not gonna get whatever. Look at fucking data. So you're hoping for gap ups and gap downs and shit. The reason why I say if everybody does whatever, right, at a certain time, like the 200 MA on the weekly chart, bears are gonna fucking close. When bears close, they're gonna be buying shares along with you. So then when you have that call option, it'll be like the biggest one day thing. And then it'll like, oh, a lot of people get excited, say, oh, the market's back, we're on a pump or something. And they'll keep pumping, they'll keep buying, you know, it starts rolling, it starts going. That's when it's a run. Otherwise, it's just a pump. This was a open interest pump. It's all good, man. It's all good. Anybody that bank, I gotta get my money. So money's gonna be sitting here on this ATM. Guess what's gonna happen? If I don't do it, someone else is gonna do it. And it's probably gonna be the motherfucker that made a video and told you to buy. You know what I mean? Don't get kicked play. Don't get kicked play. Man, AMC. I told this motherfucker. I ain't even. Oh, good Lord. Good Lord Jesus. All right, cool. I didn't even get out of bed for it. It was good shit on the defensive position too. When open interest is like this, right? And you know it's like, bro, I mean, I'm telling you, like, oh, when it's trending on AMC and shit like that, yeah, look, don't chase it, bro. Like, these are people that already got these calls, trying to get people to go work and shit to make it money. I mean, I'm not gonna bullshit nobody ever, but that's why I call it don't get kicked play on that one, man. That's what I told you. You know, because when it's like that and you see like already the price is down here and you're looking at all this, especially on the memes, you know it's gonna go, bro. So that's why I said it, man. I'm telling you. I'm not sure how cheap the calls got. I was selling calls on Neo and shit like that. Got Tesla, got Neo. Oh, let me check on Tesla. It's the same shit, man. Just gotta tell everybody that's buying this shit and losing money. Like I'll take it on the money. Got basic traders, basic whatever. Usually international when it comes to basic shit, you know, because they don't have access to a lot of the other stuff. And then you have some traders that, I mean, that's all they fucking know. Like nobody didn't learn shit else. But defensive position on that one, congrats. Look, man, those calls were toast, bro. 16,000. Yeah. It was all their money. So when it's like, oh, the market did great for a fucking week, guess what? It was like fucking billions of dollars trying to get people to buy. But it was $1 billion ATM, so we made money on that. Boom, playing the trend, respecting. Hey man, that was pretty good shit. I got other charts right here on this side. So I'm checking to see how smart the shit was, because I like my ATMs right, or they're gonna break down like the promoters did the shit. Another one I saw was Nvidia, tweeting about Nvidia, which you know is a split prompt, bro. You know what we did. I wonder if you saw anything about Nvidia. It was yeah, high on that 175. Giant ATM loaded up. Anybody else sit there gambling and shit like that got excited. Congrats to the people that bought those calls like that. Open interest, open interest. When it gets cheap, hey, go ahead. Go for it. Go for it. Buy a fucking call when it gets cheap. And this coming from someone that's selling the fucking call. So I'm taking money from these people, right? And then when it's getting cheaper and cheaper, because they know those are short buys, you know, they're gonna be selling. And when it's like that, and then they're selling, you have the last bit of it, and then it's picking up signal support and shit like that. So shorts are gonna close, and then you can actually buy these at a discount and make that quick money. Donkey kick play. Another one was XPX. That's another thing you guys gotta take a look at, man. Like sometimes when you see it and it's like, oh, is that a head and shoulder? You gotta understand that sometimes we gotta look at shit not just up and down, right? When you look at basic patterns and you have some basic ass wages always as a trader. Motherfuckers that buy like that are in Indonesia fucking sewing sweaters. They can make some money. Always, they put in that work, bro. So you can rely on them always if you're a trader, you'll be managing. You gotta look at that shit kind of sideways too, right? So anything if ever is like, oh, it's gonna be a head and shoulders, it looks kind of sloppy and stuff like that. The same thing if it's resistance support, when you see it as a basic resistance support, you gotta understand that just like a basic resistance support, there's like pattern resistance support, all right? So the same way you look at that way, and you can just follow the money for any given time when it comes to that, and just adjust it. You see what I just did there? You could be doing shit like that, be like, oh, inverted head and shoulders, shit like that. Oh, it might turn into a head and shoulders, and it'll be like, let's see, it'll have to be like that, and then have to go down and drop down so someone can be like, oh, it wasn't, and they're gonna be shorting and like squeezing and shit like that. It's just a lot of dumb shit that you gotta be aware of. You gotta keep an eye on it. Whether you're buying calls, whether you're buying puts, interest is just fucking crazy. I'm telling you. It doesn't matter what any promoter's gonna say. Don't trust the person at the bottom of the fucking ladder that's holding the goddamn ladder for you to go to fucking pick honey up there in a goddamn beehive. Motherfuckers are broke. You know, motherfuckers are broke. And my brother likes TSM, bro. So it's another one to keep a lookout for. On the ranges, I won't even get into the whole Twitter shit. Like motherfuckers gonna be like, oh, a deal might not go through. Hey, look, man, deal might not go through. It might not. I'm making money on every fucking move, on every dollar. When you're a trader, that's what you do. You make money on every move, on every dollar. Speed bump, bots and shit. And shit's gonna be looking more like this. So just letting anyone know, don't settle for that level. If you're at that level, you're gonna make money, right? You're gonna make money, but it's never gonna add up because you're always gonna be a speed bump. You see these motherfuckers on ads and shit like that, and yeah, it makes money. It's a good beginner shit to start off, but you gotta know, man, you better than that. You know what I mean? You got potential if you at least know this. Managing the wealth that you're gonna be making. You're supposed to be being wealthy, or don't get stuck being a fucking speed bump. Because then promoters are just fucking your shit up. It's very easy to manipulate a fucking stock when it's that fucking easy, you know? I'm gonna make videos on actually how to do that later and how we do that. Because I'm telling you, we're making 10,000, 1,000%. That's more money than any fucking trader, any coin, or anything is gonna be making. We're doing that shit in a week. Check my fucking stats, check my fucking videos. I got receipts on all this shit. So you're gonna be trading, like don't get caught up on all the bot stuff and shit like that too. Like I got a shitload of bots. This seems like that's all I do is get bots. But it could be someone just trying to like monetize or whatever the fuck I got to say, because that shit is undeniable. I'm telling you, from my experience, anywhere I've ever said anything and posted like on the trading platforms, even bears know they be fucked. Because bears are smart too. Even the conservative ones, they'll be like, all right, a lot of these basic ass levels, you know, and you can tell this is TSM. It might be why he fucking likes it. In Taiwan, yeah, big boys are over there sewing clothes and shit, bro, trading, so it might be easier. Bad. I'm fucking AMD, EFC. We built the motherfuckers, bro. I mean, everything else got kind of wrecked. Lucid, Amara, the BTS, all these pharmaceutical ones, all those low flows. But yeah, we fucking kicked that ass. We did CEI. But day charges be looking kind of good. So yeah, don't kick play. Everybody should be making money. Withdraw it into my bank account. We're stimulating the economy. Oh, I gotta check on my biatch. My biatch. These Chinese motherfuckers keep buying this shit. But yeah, let's see if I can get this shit. This shit needs to be back down. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in and show this shit. I have like 4 or 5 charts on this side that I use, pump charts. I have all these different charts. If you watch the videos, you know all the different charts that I have. Oh, I need to check on the ARKK too. ARKK, yeah, day chart, whatever. It just needs some more stuff, man. I won't bullshit you. Don't believe these old motherfuckers. When it's time to run though, I'll tell you. Risk reward shit, no FOMO for FOMC, and fuck all these motherfuckers. I will roast and toast these. Hey, I'm saying it more. So hey, shout out to everyone that's been telling me certain stuff. You know, I hear you, bro. But it's not really my style to talk like that on certain shit. It's not really my style, you know, but I'm with you. Like, motherfuckers should know. Like, yeah, motherfuckers should know. I mean, and trust me, I would love for any motherfucker anywhere in the fucking world, bro, to like, you know, test. Trust me. That's how I was raised, man. I know you don't need to flex shit if you know what you got, you know, but hey. Like, for real, you know, like, you do gotta let some people know. So yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I'm getting there. Just not really, you know, my style. It's more of the proof is in the pudding type of shit. But yeah, I'm gonna do something for real, man. We're gonna click up on something. I gotta figure out this social media public shit, bro. I'll be honest. Like, I just kind of got into it right now. I can see why people like it. It is. I ain't gonna bullshit. But that's how everybody should be making money, man. All in the 30-minute. That's what I said. I have all these other charts in different time frames on the other ones, but I'm sticking to more to the 30-minute to keep up, like, just to check on everybody. Because I call the 30-minute more the greed chart because the day chart broke down into the 4 chart. The 4 chart gets broken down into the 30. FYI. But I like pumping on a 15. You know, day traders do the 2 to 5 and shit like that. But any other ticker, fucking let me know, man. I'm pretty much going on what people message me about. I made the video on July 4th. The only ones that weren't fucking doing so much, you know, because swings were doing the data shit and everything like that. The only ones that weren't were the shorts, bro. Stick to the low borrow rate on that, because sometimes, like, as you see, the open interest gets a little too high, shit's out of range, and that's what I'm saying. I'm selling the calls and I'm just doing the puts for it because I know it's gonna get shorted. I know what to look for and what the risk rewards are and the price targets, if it's even worth the risk reward. And I know what promoters are saying. I'm aware of everything and any other info. Hey, shout out to all the info that I do get from bros, because I really don't give a fuck who talks sometimes. You know, I'm more look at data and shit like that. I'm looking at charts, you know. So even if someone's gonna say something, and let's say Powell's gonna go and talk shit or whatever, it'll be like, oh, it was priced in. You know what I mean? So a lot of shit they can be like, oh, it was priced in. Oh, everything must be priced in. Oh yeah. Everything bad was priced in, of course. You know, nah, bro. Don't chase that shit. Shit wasn't priced in. Patience, respect. I mean, we're not chasing these call options, right? Nobody. We're just banking, bro. Don't chase the fucking call options. Wait for that shit to deplete. Do that donkey kick play. You're making the most money you're gonna make that day. Oh, we're all making money every fucking day. You're either making money every day and you're making money on every trade, even with the speed bumps that you're gonna be seeing on ads and making videos out here and flooding the fucking public with. There's speed bumps, but we're all gonna be making money, man. So you got 2 options. You're either gonna make money every day with us, or you're going to pay us. That's always gonna be the option. So don't get caught up on what somebody says or promoter fucking says, especially an old motherfucker or someone that just has lines like this. And if you use lines like this and you're making a little bit of money, the reason why you're not gonna be making a lot of money and you're not gonna get far doing this shit, you're not gonna get to the level to manage that fucking wealth. You gotta be able to time it, know everything, know what promoters, know everything. You gotta anticipate the promoting. Telling you that. I even posted about it on other shit. Short research. So I'm not sure if anyone noticed that one when I was posting videos on Neo of what the fuck I'm doing with Neo, and then shortly after they had a short report and stuff like that. Smart, bro. Like, it is what it is. Like, they know what the fuck I'm doing and they saw my video, but I don't need to make a fucking video. Hey, like, people know what's up. It's like, I didn't sit there and tell someone to write a fucking report, right? But they know what's up. They know what's up. That's why there's hedge funds and there's management funds, there's firms and shit like that. And you get to a certain level where motherfuckers will sit here and they'll check sentiment on these platforms, and they'll run into a motherfucker spitting knowledge like me and say, good Lord, but bacon. Probably should have got out of bed apparently fucking yesterday though, huh? I should have got out of bed, man, but hey, look, I don't give a fuck, man. Like, honestly, I got a lot of fucking shares, man. I got a lot of shares. I made a shitload. I made a shitload on the 1000% on all these videos. That's why I didn't get up. Like, but anybody else, anytime you ever see that on any ticker, any fucking time, even when I'm sitting here saying I'm selling the calls and it's going down, yeah, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Boom, there's that time, secure profit share, and all these people need money. So they're working. They're paying for ads and shit on YouTube. They're promoting. They're the ones working. So they're working for you. You're used to it. They're working for you. Speed bumps are always gonna be there. Another great week. Another great week. All right, I'm actually gonna drink coffee now. No bullshit. No bullshit, bro. It's about to close. I'm getting my coffee in, but hey, man, congrats. Everybody watch these fucking videos, man. Keep sending me messages. Keep sending me whatever. Check everything, share everything like that. Don't be fucking lazy, man. It's a fucking ATM. It's the highest paid job you're ever gonna make. This is like free fucking money here all the time. Man, if you don't get it, well, fuck. Ask a goddamn question. Shit. You should not be losing money. It's not like, oh, you shouldn't. This is a guarantee. This is guaranteed fucking money. It's not that you shouldn't, it's not that you shouldn't, like, the market shouldn't have reacted that way. No, you're reading everything. You don't give a fuck. You're reading everything. You're reading all the reactions. You're making the steps. You're zooming in. You're zooming out. You're doing everything. So it's not that you should not have lost money. You should only make money. If you didn't, you're not doing something right, man. Ask a goddamn question. Don't be fucking shy. Shy motherfuckers. Good shit, man. Congrats. See y'all boys and y'all ladies out there later tonight though. Alright, congrats, man. Another good week, another good week. Anything that doesn't fucking go right, send it to me so I can troubleshoot that shit and make a video on how to, like, avoid that type of, bro. Even though it costs. I don't give a fuck. It should be money. Boom, 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 boom. All day, every day. So I'll make a TA video this weekend, man. Record that afternoon or something. I'll figure it out. Alright, later.